You've been injured in an accident, and the insurance company has made you an offer. It's not one that you like very much. But they've told you that it's going to cost you money, and it'll be more expensive if you hire a lawyer and proceed with a lawsuit. What's true about that statement? My name is Ben Schmidt. I'm an attorney practicing personal injury law and insurance law in Missouri and Kansas. Are there expenses attendant to hiring a lawyer and proceeding with a lawsuit? The answer to that is yes, there is. What are these expenses? First of all, many attorneys work on a contingency fee basis that can range all the way from 20% to 50% depending on the matter, and many attorneys will charge greater or lesser amounts for the same case. There are also fees for collecting medical records, taking depositions, filing the lawsuit. A lawyer that you seek should be able to give you a good idea about what it will cost and how much they can enhance your case so that you can make an intelligent decision about whether or not to hire a lawyer and if the expense is worth it. Why am I telling you this? You're considering an offer from an insurance company and just don't know what to do. I answer questions like this every day. My name is Ben Schmidt, and I can help you find the answer to your question. Thank you for watching this video.